If you are a Notcoin holder, either you get the coin from airdrop or you bought it, maybe from my immediate last video right here, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be discussing Notcoin, and as you can see right here, we are having a fair momentum. So what next for this coin? Are we going to see a crash to the downside, or market is still going to move from here to the upside? So all of these in this very video, so watch this video to the very end. If this is your first time here, my name is Paradise. On this channel I discuss everything about cryptocurrency, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Right here on Notcoin, if you watch this my immediate last video right here, as at the recording of this very video, the market was around this very area, and I told you market is still going to move to the upside. That is exact same thing that we see right here on Notcoin, which is very important. And what I am expecting right now is something very different on Notcoin, because if you look at what has happened in the previous few days, you discover after the market move all the way from this very point to this very area, that is to this very point of 0.0097, we have this little consolidation at this very point, and then market further breakout. So after this breakout, market move a little bit, which is what I talk about explicitly in this very video, and then from here market come back to the downside at this very point right here. So if you look at the way market come back down, we've not seen this good retracement since the market moved all the way from this very point to where it is right now. So what I am expecting on Notcoin is a little bit different right now, because I am expecting a loss of momentum on this very token. So look at it here. So market move from this very point with nice momentum. We have consolidation, and then we have this very move. Market retrace significantly. Market did not retrace any significant. Okay, there is no significant retracement in this very area. Rather, market pause for consolidation before this very move, and right now market is moving upward a little bit. So what I am expecting from Notcoin is very, very simple. This is it. Market is going to move upward, but not with good momentum, just like we see at this very point and at this very area. So expect the market to move a little bit upward, possible creation of a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point. Then market is going to come back to the downside for a good correction. Okay, I am expecting a 50 to 60% correction to the downside after this very move that's going to the market right now on Notcoin. This is what I am expecting right now on Notcoin. So if you are a Notcoin holder, and if you are holding for long term, then there is no need selling off your token, because after this very movement to the upside, creation of a possible new high, market is going to come back to the downside for a 50 to 60% correction before market is going to move up again. So certainly this market is going to still continue its movement upward. I am expecting Notcoin to do about $1 per Notcoin. Okay, so this is very important. If you are holding, keep holding your bag. But if you are a trader and you enter the market from either this very point where the market break out of this resistance, or you enter from this very area after the breakout of this resistance, then after this very move coming to the market right now is the best time for you to sell off. Why? Because there is a good retracement that I am expecting to come into the market, about 50 to 60% retracement before the next move to the upside. So if you bought here or at this very point, it is a nice time right now to collect profit before that very retracement is going to come into the market, so that you can buy again at a better price. Because what we do as traders is to buy at discount price. There's what I call buying at discount. Buying at discount means that you need to wait for the market to drop back right down, and you enter the market at the appropriate time where price is going to move upward. That means an area where price have high probability of moving to the upside. And this very area, as you can see on the chart right here, is a very high area where market have high tendency of moving to the upside if it come back down to this very point. And another high possible scenario is this very point as well. So this level of important support at this very area and this other level of important support at this very area will be a nice point you can find discount price before market is going to begin to move to the upside in the next upward move. So conclusively, if you are holding for long term, keep holding your back. Market is going to move to the upside aggressively. But if you are a trader and you are trading Notcoin for day-to-day or weekly trading, then it is time for you to sell off your back, for market to retrace. After this very move coming to the market right now, market is going to retrace about 50-60% before the next move to the upside again. So this is what you should be expecting right now on Notcoin if you are a Notcoin holder or you're a Notcoin trader. So this is very important. If you are new here, please help support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.